start with projections of lines. For projections of lines, we will have to have a brief look at the specifications of quadrants once again. We know that for projections we will be using two planes, namely the horizontal plane and a vertical plane, which are mutually perpendicular to each other. The intersection of these two planes is XY line, and these two planes are infinite in nature. They will be dividing this three-dimensional space into four quadrants, namely quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. We have also seen the specification of these quadrants. As quadrant 1 is defined with respect to horizontal plane as above HP, and with respect to vertical plane it is in front of VP. Quadrant number 2 is above HP and behind VP. Quadrant number 3 is below HP and behind VP. And quadrant number 4 is below HP and in front of VP. This much information we always have. We have also remembered one or two facts, that distance from HP and subsequently even the angle made with HP, distance from HP and angle with HP is to be shown in front view, which is also known as the elevation. And it is always marked with dash, like A dash, B dash, and so on. One rule which is never going to change. Subsequently, we have another rule as distance from VP and angle with VP will be always shown in top view, which is also called as plan and is shown as A, B, etc. This is a very simple and straightforward rule that you are required to remember. And then elevation and plan, they will be marked with respect to XY. So we will say that elevation and plan. Now we will fix up their position. When the point is in first quadrant, that is above HP, elevation will go above XY line, and it is in front of VP, plan will be below XY line. When you consider second quadrant, that is above HP and behind VP, elevation will be above XY line, whereas plan will also move above XY line. So this is going to be with respect to XY line. What will be the position of elevation and plan? Quadrant 3, that is below HP and behind VP, elevation will be below XY line and plan will be above XY line. Whereas in quadrant 4, elevation will be below XY and plan will be below XY. This has to be remembered, otherwise we cannot proceed further.